Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do laser flip in Skate 4. So right here, we'll see how the motion should look like. For me, it is a tricky trick because it gets usually picked up by wrong trick. So let's do the motion, and it shows that I do a switch 360 or switch kickflip. So let's try again. You will need to try like twisting motion, and as you can see I get switch 360 flip, so it's a wrong motion, but if I do a couple of times I'll get laser flip. So let's try again. Okay, it takes some time, but try doing this motion. Now I'm grinding, but try this motion and you should be good with this challenge. As you can see, laser flip. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.